maar een regionaal treintje hoor.
Mag je net praten?
Nee. Can I speak to you? Nee.
Nee. Waarom?
Nee. Hoezo?
Elk jaar ongeveer 20 verdachten in Bedfordshire opgepakt.
Probably get something like 3 or 4 jobs.
Yeah, all we made was we did 2 more records. All the films that was a top because it was popular. As we said about, his wife and
Ging je af toch niet op 5 minuten?
Morgen ook hoor.
just went to things, put some of the fire, fantasize, smoke
Drugs, intellectual fantasize about having sex with children, intellectual porno, intellectual violence. Don't charge now. Hello.
Jo hoor. Oh, daar gaan wij bij de schoot af. Zo, ren je even je broer overal. Daar stond dus.
Dun, 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 dun.